welcome to this learning video on the Eliquis application in DHIS2, which stands for Load Quality Assurance Sampling Check. This innovative tool has been developed by Haptic Solutions in collaboration with the Ministry of Health to enhance data quality across the health information system. Data quality is the foundation of effective health decision making. Today, you will learn how to use Eliquis to detect and resolve data quality issues proactively. Accurate data is critical for health decision making. The Eliquis check application strengthens data quality by randomly selecting data points, verifying them, and generating a reliability score. Here is how Eliquis works in our application. First, random selection. The system randomly selects data elements from your dataset. Then it compares the reported value in DHIS2 with the actual value in your register. Then the application calculates an Eliquis score based on accuracy. The last one is logging. All the results are logged with the user details for accountability and tracking. Eliquis application በDHIS2 ሪቱን ዳታ ኤንትሪ ላይ የተመዘገበውን ዳታ ከምዝገባችን ካለው ጋር ያነጻጽራል። ይህም ዳታው ሲገባ በትክክል እንደገባ ያረጋግጥልናል። ይህን ለማድረግ ሜኑ ጋር በመሄድ Eliquisን እንመርጣለን። በመቀጠል ኦርጋናይዜሽን ዩኒት፣ ዳታ ሴት እና ፔሪድን እንመርጣለን። ከዛም ታሊ ወይም ሬጅስተር ላይ ያለውን ዳታ እናስገባለን። ዳታውን ካስገባን በኋላ ፌች ዳታ የሚለውን እንጫናለን። ሲስተሙ DHIS2 ሩቲን ዳታ ኤንትሪ ላይ የተመዘገበውን ዳታ ከመዝገባችን ጋር ካለው ጋር ያነጻጽርና ዳታ ኳሊቲን ቼክ ያደርግልናል። ውጤቱና በላይ ከሆነ ዳታ ሴት ሪቪውን አልፏል ማለት ነው። ከ90 በታች ከሆነ ዳታ ኳሊቲ ኢሹ አለበት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኮሬክቲቭ አክሽን መወሰድ አለበት። By using the Eliquis application, health workers and managers can proactively detect and resolve data quality issues, ensuring that decision-making have reliable information. Thank you for watching this tutorial on DHIS2 Eliquis application check. Together, we can strengthen data quality and improve health outcomes.